I thought I would be able to trade before the end of today, but I'm not chance due to the other activities I have outside my trading life. During the day, I wanted to force myself to trade, but I remember what happened some days ago that I revenge trade because I got frustrated, and on that day I don't feel like trading, but I force myself to trade. Then I end up blowing all my profits. I learned it makes more sense to have my capital preserved than having any drawdown. To keep up with my daily consistency of checking the chart, I end up taking a trade on a demo account. I took only one trade and I won. It was a success. Before I switched to demo to take the trade, I was on my live account like I'm seeing the setup already. I just changed my mind that I'm not taking this trade on my live account. Then I switched to my demo account and took the trade. Though one part of me is regretting I should have taken the trade on demo account, and one part of me is like it makes sense as you did not take the trade on live account. Immediately I kill the spirit that is telling me I should have taken the trade on my live account instead of demo. I murder the emotion. When I murdered the emotion, I realize I'm growing. I'm growing a tough skin inside this trading game. What I mean is that I'm getting stronger. My psychology is getting greater. If it was before, till now until tomorrow, I would be beating myself up that I should have taken the trade on live account. But I just feel like it's normal. I don't even feel pain. I just feel neutral. Like just normal trade. I don't know if you have read this 50 cent book, Hustle Harder, Hustle Smarter. I can't really remember the chapter, my bad. Also, I don't know how to put the face well, but please let me put it as I understand. 50 Cent said in the book, a real hustler don't cry if he lose everything. A real hustler don't dwell on a loss or a chance. A real hustler don't feel sad because he missed out on an opportunity. A hustler mindset is if I lose something today, tomorrow I'm going to get it back. If I gain something, it was given to me by the street, and probably tomorrow they collect it back. That means the street collected what they gave me. I hope you understand. If you lose everything today, you have another opportunity tomorrow. You even have another opportunity to make more than what you already make, because the mistake that you did yesterday that you lost everything, you won't repeat the mistake again today. Tomorrow I'm going to take my trade. If I win, but if I lose, it's on the house. With the additional $10 I added to my account, I have decided to use martingale. Also, I have a deep thought about growing my $10 account. I realized as a beginner to be able to make 10 to 30 percentage of my initial capital and only have one drawdown, and before the end of the day I was able to recover from the drawdown, and I only have minus 10 percentage for my initial capital, and I only have it once. I have my $10 capital preserved for 3 good weeks. I deserve my flowers. For a beginner, I repeat, for a beginner, not a pro or an expert, you need to risk big to make big. I think it is only a pro and an expert is going to make times two of their $10 account in few weeks or in few days. What do you think? I also realize not trading 1 to 3 days doesn't mean you are not a day trader. It does not change any fact that I'm a day trader. Sometimes I can just choose to reminiscence about the chart and just allow the chart to play out and just observe what is going on. Today I'm not really in the right mood and the atmosphere is not friendly. The atmosphere and my mood is not setting the vibe to trade for me. So I'm not taking any trade today. Man, higher your risk, higher your reward. Probably tomorrow I don't think I would be able to take any trade because I want to like arrange my room. Yeah, my friend that came just left, so I have to rearrange everything. And also our dog is sick. I'm thinking of filming how I'm going to spend my day tomorrow. It's just going to be a day in the life of a beginner trader. I don't know if you guys want it. If you want it, let me know in the comment section. Till tomorrow, if you are new here, please don't forget to what blow that subscribe button. Till tomorrow.